Hello and what's up? Today we are taking a quick look at the Keith 550 ml titanium mug.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Welcome to my channel. If you are new and you like my video, then please leave a sub, like or comment. This helps me to be able to produce more great videos for you. This costs you nothing more than a small click. In the background we have already seen some of the packaging. This is kept nice and simple. There's a nice design and some product data can be found on the back. The shiny red Keith logo is also very nice on the packaging. But now to the content. What do we find here? A guarantee card, an instruction manual, and the mug itself. Here's a brief overview of the package content. As always, let's quickly start with the boring stuff. Here we have a 3-year guarantee card. Now the second note. Okay, this is not a user guide, but a product overview. Cool to see what else Keith is producing. I have this mug here in the video. Now to the cup. So, the first impression is very good. The surface is beautifully evenly sandblasted. The handles fold cleanly. This also lies nicely on the contour.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew.
The lasering on the cover and on the front is also very nicely done.
Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew
There is nothing on the bottom itself except a small profiling.
how much I miss not knowing that we're
The handle attachment is also neatly welded. In terms of weight, the mug is light as a feather, but that's how it should be with titanium. There is also a small triangular flap on the cover. This is also beautifully clean processed and can be moved nicely.
How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen
In terms of processing, there is nothing to complain about.
at first glance? I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
The edges are also nicely folded, so there are no sharp edges. The edge is also neatly folded over on the mug.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
So, there are nowhere sharp edges. Very good. The cover play is also within an acceptable range. But the reason I also choose the mug is the idea of being able to transport the mug through my Grayl water filter. In other words, the water filter is placed in the cup, thus saving a lot of space. Let's see if my idea works. Perfect! The cup sits perfectly on the water filter. This means that the cup can be transported in a much more space-saving manner. In the top right corner you will find an information card for the Grayl water filter. I have already made a video. The gap is very small. As a result, the air comes out and into the cup very slowly. Now to my conclusion. I like the mug very much. The processing is really top class. I have absolutely no negative points to say here. Simply a very good product. Weight and finish is also very good. Therefore I can really only make a purchase recommendation. I think that you can have fun with the mug for a very long time. Maybe even a lifetime. I hope you enjoyed the video. Here you will find more videos that may be interest to you. If you haven't left a subscription here, I would be very happy about your support. See you next time.